Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the new sets on the Petal update. So select this icon here. There's 3 new sets, the Grunch collection, the Wild West set, as well as the Withered Rose set. To purchase the items, you're just going to select view and you're going to just purchase the items. You have to do it one by one. So for instance, this top, press confirm, purchase, confirm, purchase, confirm. Then I'll do the withered rose set, confirm. I don't know if I have enough for everything, to be honest, but I'm just purchasing everything. Oh my dear God. We have a pistol? Oh my God, yes, finally. I don't have to make one out of items. And I think everything will be in the dressing rooms, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they will all be in here. I'm just going to put on all of the new items. Oh my gosh, the UI is different. Oh, increased clothing limit. Let me just remove everything that I have on. And then, oh, is there no pants for these? And then this, oh my God, super cute. I think I just have to put on some pants here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!